large businesses that want to keep better track of how much they're recycling and equate that to carbon emissions and how they're reducing their carbon emissions. So we have some nice systems for helping with the data management on that as well. And in terms of recycling occurred, once you recycle something like a pop bottle, that will go to a facility that crushes them, compacts them, sends them to a processor. You can use it, but I think then the processor will shred the plastic into pieces and send it through an extruder, which creates little pellets of the material. And then they can send those plastic pellets onto a manufacturer. The manufacturer can then make a new product from those. So something like these would be, the pellets would go to a facility that would then extrude those plastic pellets into a thread and then weave them into gloves.
So basically the beauty of recycling anything is it can turn into something else that we use a lot and could save a lot of money and chemicals and used, and it's the money saving, things are not being dumped and sitting in the ground for millions of years. It's like a rebirth of something, like
Exactly, the recycling symbol. That's why it goes into
like basically, isn't polyester like a lot of our clothing products, like the fleece we love, that we in Buffalo in our cold winters love to wear, our fleece is made out of polyester, which is basically recycled plastic, right?
Well, some of it is and some of it isn't. Some of it is, it's a petroleum product.
Okay.
Some of it is made from plastic that comes from virgin oil to make that plastic. Certain brands, like the Polartec brand, is made out of recycled plastic, so it comes from things like pop bottles.
Yeah, so basically, if you want your fleece, you want your all your great things that plastic can make at a great price, you gotta recycle your bottles and your cans.
You gotta buy the products to create the markets for the recycled materials you're going to procure.
So this is recycling is just a great thing, because it's like I said, it brings rebirth to it's an alternative to just dump it in the ground and it just sits there forever and ever, and then it's like you have to, instead of using the products that are dangerous to make them again, just take this, take it apart or whatever, and then it becomes something new without all the expenses and environmental costs involved. So all I can say is recycle, 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 as well as encourage our local governments to expand their curbside recycling programs, so that recycling can seem like the thing to do, an easy thing to do. So recycle.